So guys, today I want to make you happy. I think everybody had this before, right? You are varnishing a plate and afterwards you scratch it or you damage it somehow and it's really upsetting. But today I want to show you a quick solution how you can fix that. You need just a plastic container for that you can close or you use to trace, something to elevate the plate from the ground, 95% alcohol, a tissue, something to heat the plate. I used my tree warmer and an old cake container for that. My cake container already had an elevated platform and I will post a link to it in the description. Try to do this in an area with as little dust in the air as possible. You could spray the air with water before doing it so all the dust falls down to the ground. Then you put the plate you want to restore inside the container on the platform. Take a tissue, soak it with alcohol and put it also in the container. Now you close the container and wait until you can smell the Sandarac and the lavender oil. And like now the magic happens. The Sandarac varnish absorbs the alcohol fumes and starts to get kind of more fluid and moist again. It gets more sticky. It took about 15 minutes with my plates, but you don't even need a timer. You just can smell the lavender and the Sandarac when it's ready. If the damaged areas are still in there, you need to wait a little bit more longer. I would strongly recommend to do it first on a test plate so you get more comfortable with the whole process. After the scratches are gone, you heat the plate up again so it can cure. I do that with my tree warmer, I said, with about 70 degrees I think. And also cover it up when you heat it up again to prevent more dust coming on the plate. Ta-da! That's it. You have a shiny plate again. It's really cool and I did it with lots of my plates that are damaged. This initial idea came from Thomas, who visited my booth at a photography fair where I took a portrait of him. His plate got a bit damaged on the way home and he experimented with a similar method and told me about it 2 years ago. So I remembered it and I modified it a bit until it worked out for me. Thanks a lot for that, Thomas. It helped me a lot and I think it will help others too. So thanks a lot for that again. I hope this was helpful for you guys. I put an affiliate link to the used tools in the description. To support more videos like that, you can subscribe and hit the bell icon here or here, I never remember where it is. Or if you want, there's also links in the description to support my work. And yeah guys, you know what's coming up. I'll be back guys.